So I'm thinking about doing like some green and red themes for the holidays. So stay tuned for that. Hey everybody, welcome back to Kicks in the Second Half. We got another pair of the Jordan 1 mids. These came from Hibbett Sports as usual. Well, they're just a place where I get most of my shoes just because of the availability. I typed in Jordan 1s like I did with the Chili Reds. You know, click here if you haven't seen that video, check that out. I kept checking the site very frequently, so after checking the site, then I kind of realized that, okay, at some point these might pop up in my size. My luck, they popped up, so let's get into the shoe. So here is the box in hand. Let's see the colorway for these Jordan 1 mids. It's white, pine green, and light smoke gray. Pine green, you know, we gotta love those pine greens, and you know, ho ho ho, Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. We're gonna start these off with like a holiday session. I think the Chili Reds could have went like a Christmas Day theme as well. So if you're looking for colors that are cool for Christmas or for December or any of the holidays, definitely check these out. If they're still available, I will definitely put them in the link down below in the description. Got the paper like usual, the 23 Jordan paper. Boom. There we go. I don't know if I jinxed it when I talked in the last video with the Chili Reds that I've been noticing with the Jordan 1 mids that they're already laced up, like ready to wear. That's not the case with these. The laces are literally halfway up, so you gotta finish the lacing system. I did not notice a secondary pair of laces. Here are some of the details of the shoe. Let's go over this. Let's go with the upper. I love what they're doing here with, again, texture patterning. Texture patterning is a key to part of the styling of the shoe. You don't have to focus too much on that, but you can because of the difference between one Jordan mid to another Jordan mid. Typically when we see pine greens, it's usually all upper leather, and it could be a variation of white, green, and black. But with this one, they're using this suede gray and the light gray or light smoke gray color, which is what I love about the shoe. When I'm thinking about styling the shoe, I'm thinking about hitting it up with the grays. I want to pretty much play on the tones of the gray and have the green more of an accent. Maybe have like a green beanie or something like that. Definitely want to focus in on the grays for me, but let's look at some more of the details of the shoe. So outside of this, the texture here, obviously you got the white and the green. The white is going to be your, you know, typical leather that you see on the Jordan 1s. You know, you got this synthetic mesh tongue here. Looking at the shoestrings, they're white, flat laces. Then you have this green, what do you want to call it? Shoelace holder? It's not a shoelace holder. And this metallic green plate there with the Jumpman logo, that is awesome. But let's look at the shoestrings in a closer view. The shoestrings here on these Jordan 1 mids, they're metallic at the end. The shoestring has that much detail. The metal of the tip of the string is just like the metal that's on this little plate here. Let's talk about the green some more. So if you look at the green on the check, the little median area there, and the collar of the shoe, you can see that the green is a metallic green. It has glitter into the green. It's very minor. If you have a lot of lighting, it has like this reflection of some type of gold, which is really, really cool. Kind of gives you that Christmas vibe or holiday vibe. This has like a satin finish. Here's the bottom. So looking at the bottom of the shoe, you know, it got that all pine green, typical bottom outsole, so nothing special there. You just got some accents of texture and quality of the paint with the speckles, and then just the gray suede, the light smoke gray suede against the white. And SE, again, usually SE stands for special edition, so these are general stock, nothing off the sneakers app. I think if Nike still has it available, I'll put the link for Nike as well. Tell me what you think of the shoes if you're thinking about copying a pair of the shoes. thank you for tuning in to Kicks in the Second Half. Hope you're enjoying the content here. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. If you are subscribed, please consider passing along, sharing the video. If you're interested in NBA talk, you can find the podcast on Spotify or anchor.fm under KISH YZ, KISH, then a space YZ. And you can also look us up on Instagram and Twitter as well under KISH YZ, KISH_YZ. Also, that's the same for TikTok. Starting to do TikToks now where I'm wearing the shoe, but I'm kind of dancing in the video. That's a different vibe there. But yeah, definitely go to Instagram if you're wanting to see more of the still photos of me wearing these shoes and the other shoes that we're doing reviews, usually with one, maybe two outfits. I'll try to get that out there. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Once again, peace and love.
No shit, I'm a no sense, steady cruising about 100. Full land, want me move it, turn a dub sack to 100. Move it if you move with my love hat, I'm 100. Ruthless if you know this, I go stupid for them honeys. Close strips by 100, full clip by 100. Mention man, homie, got a gram, got it off his hands for 100. Off his hand, got me falling man for the streets where they keep it 100. All I know is I'm chasing that bread, all I know is I keep it 100.
Sorry, I'm late to the party. I just came from outside. Deja want the all-star, about to go in, showing how I ride like it's Friday.